Ba't ko kasi ginawa yun? Nakakainis naman ako.
Hi everyone, so for today's baking episode, we're gonna make matcha white chocolate cookies. So when we went to Japan last year, I saw this at Don Quixote. It's like a store in Japan where you can get everything. Anyway, and when I finally tried it here in the US, it's the best matcha for me. So far, there's nothing like this here in the US. Like, it's pure matcha and it's really good quality matcha. And this one, if you buy this from Don Quixote, I think it's 1,000 pesos, $20. So yeah, sulit siya. So if you're planning to go to Japan, hoard this. Promise. I promise you. It's really one of the best matcha powder I've tried. So we have to use melted butter. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave. 334 grams of flour. So the recipe that I'm following produces cookies that are thin, but I want it to be a little bit thicker. So it says that I can add 2 tablespoons of flour to make it thicker. And then we're gonna add 32 grams of cornstarch. And then 4 grams of baking soda. And 2 tablespoons of matcha powder. So 266 grams of granulated sugar. Sakto! 220 grams of light brown sugar. Nasaling ko din. 2 large eggs. Whoa! May shell pa siya. Yaman na. So 14 ml of vanilla extract. Add in your eggs. And we're gonna add our melted butter. Ang bango. Oh my gosh. So we're just gonna mix the wet ingredients. Dahan-dahan lang kasi may eggs eh. Dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan lang. Adding the dry ingredients. So wala to sa ingredients, but we're gonna add sea salt. There, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now we're gonna add our white chocolate chips. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, ang bango. Here it is. I'm so excited. So we're gonna cover it and put it in the fridge and let it chill for 30 minutes. Sana all chill. While the cookie dough is chilling, it's like bit time. Look at the sunset. Oh my gosh. Sobrang ganda ng sunset. Now it's done chilling. It's time to bake. So I weigh each of them for 50 to 54 grams. So they're even. It's hard to scoop them. Into the oven. I'm gonna bake them for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 12 minutes. So I feel like I failed. The cookie is very flat. Oh my gosh. Sobra yata ng baking soda. Or talagang magkalapit-lapit lang yung paglagay ko. Let's try this one. Mukha naman siyang luto eh. Ang sarap. It's so good. Promise. Yeah. It is so good. I'm just not sure if the texture and the size is accurate. But it's really so good. It's really so good.
It's really good.
It's really good.
It's really so bad.
Siguro nilagay ko lang siya talaga ng masyadong malapit sa isa't isa. Kasi, tignan mo to. Tignan mo to. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see the shape? So, ba't ko kasi ginawa yun? Nakakainis naman ako. Dapat magkalayo-layo. Jaira! We're gonna wait until it cools down and then we're gonna separate them. Medyo hilaw pa yung gitna niya. So, ito na yung kinakatakutan ko because it's been a while since I last baked cookies and I forgot what to expect. Sanay ako dun sa makakapal na cookies and this one is really good. Like, it's thin but it's chewy and soft. And yung crust niya nun sa gilid, yun yung nagpapasarap din sa kanya. And yung bottom din kasi medyo nag-crust siya. So, ang sarap niya. Anyway, I weighed all the ingredients. So, hindi ako sanay doon kasi usually cup yung ginagamit ko talaga. Yung weighing scale namin, I forgot na minsan hindi siya accurate. Dahil ata kailangan na siyang palitan ng battery. And I feel like I put a lot of baking soda. The baking soda is thin. Pag ganung klase, yung weighing scale na ganon, hindi siya masusukat ng accurate. Mas maganda gamitin doon yung maliit, like yung pang-coffee, yung pang-coffee beans na ginagamit namin. So, yun yung mali ko. And next time, yun yung gagawin ko. Kasi, pag malaki masyado yung weighing scale ko, and maliit lang yung measurement ng baking soda, 4 grams lang siya. They're still good though. Kakainin ko pa din siya because ang sarap, promise. It says on the recipe, sprinkle with flaky sea salt. But I don't have that. I only have this and it's in the grinder. So, yun na lang. Try natin. Sea salt pa din naman siya. Grind lang. So, let's try to break them. Tignan mo naman. Tignan mo naman kasi, kasyungahan ko talaga. Tama ba yan? Anong klaseng shape to? Anong klaseng shape to? What the heck? Look. So I feel like next time I'm gonna measure them for 25 grams each because this one, if you want a bigger cookie, you can do 50 grams. But since they're thin, I'm gonna use 25 grams only. Wow! Sarap! Look at that. Look at that. So this is day 2 of learning how to bake until it becomes my career. So lesson learned, give them space.